Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Hello and good morning. Today is Sunday, the 16th of August 2026. With the Gosh Al Khidmat USA, we are preparing hot and tasty fresh meals for families in need in the Central Gaza Strip. Amid the extremely tough circumstances and really hot weather, we are here supporting them and to showcase solidarity with them. Thanks a lot for our supporters and donors. May Allah bless you. Keep on this way and stay with the process. Hello again, and right now we are inside Al Qasim shelter in the Central Gaza Strip, and this is to start distributing the hot meals for the families to reduce this suffering. Thanks a lot. May Allah bless you and accept your donation and your sadaqah. Keep on this way.